Okay, so let me discuss with you the kind of statement of purpose which is required for job of Hawkins. Hawkins job is quite good, but they ask for two things. One is CV, another is statement of purpose. Typical statement of purpose for Hawkins is of 2 pages, and it should have your background, why you think you want this job, that kind of relation, something about Hawkins, why you feel that Hawkins is a place for you, and what Hawkins as a company are doing, how your background is related to that. For example, they are into designing, so you also did designing work in graduation or something like that. So that kind of correlation is required. So let me take you directly to the typical statement of purpose which should be there. I hope it is visible to you. So this is the typical statement of purpose for Hawkins. The first line can be taken from them, their vision or mission. We have one overreaching goal to win over customer, to truly please them from delivering products and services. This is the mission statement of a company. And what does it reflect is the core value, which are so much into the holistic welfare of the customer, and it is committed for innovative products. So you would like to join a company as a technocrat, which is customer focused, and which is innovative, which is into innovative products, and that simply means you will get a very good growth in that particular company. Then you're a mechanical engineer, so you just explain that you did CAD, CAM, CAD in the lab of AutoCAD. You started working in your college, and then you started getting interested in modeling, kind of designing of different parts, products, and pressure vessels. So you started liking these kind of subjects and designing, and these are your favorite subjects. So during your graduation, you decided to pursue a career in innovative designing of the products. So then you mention about quality of the product, how it is related to various features of the product itself, and you also say that products being innovated by Hawkins are of best quality for the customer, and that is because of the continuous improvement in their design. Then you mentioned that you did your internship in automobile company, where you learned something about stresses and various components subjected to pressure, and you learned the relation between stress and strength of component, and other than material, design is a very important thing which decides the durability of the product. Factor of safety is another crucial parameter which decides the cost of the component, etc. So you learned both hard and soft skill, something soft skills like management, etc. Also you learned. Then you mentioned about something related to the design of pressure vessels. You were reading one article, and then you decided to go for design of efficient size of pressure vessel. So that part you can mention whatever is your learning. So you started exploring the opportunities in the related industries, and Hawkins is one of the industries. And then you again praise something about the Hawkins, that this is into 65 countries and sending 65 different models to various countries, and pressure cooker is one of the products. And then you mentioned something about the company itself, and what kind of techniques are being used in designing of Hawkins. So innovation in kitchenware, cookware is a very big industry nowadays, and that is the reason you want to get into this designing part of this. And there's a need to address globally important challenge, and you read some kind of this article in newspaper which about the leaders of Hawkins, and that inspired you, that particular thing you've written. And then at the end you ended up that you want basically to get into this company, and your career objectives are matching with the company's vision. So this is the typical statement of purpose for this particular company. So there are only two stages. One, you send your CV and your SOP to this company, prepare it well and send. If you get second round, there is an interview with them, and you may get selected into that. So you need to try. Looks like a good company. Just send your SOP, make a good SOP on this line, and send to them, mail to them.